Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tia Dewana here, and right now I'm just doing some shopping on Amazon for a wig. Not looking for anything virgin hair, just something to wear when you're on a budget. Typically people think that you need to spend a lot of money to look great, but I'm just making this video to show you that you do not. So this is the wig that I'm going to go with. It's yaki. Whenever you wear synthetic hair or human hair, just try to go with yaki because it doesn't come out as, silky. It has more of a natural texture.
So much joy for us it seems, so much hope for material things. Are they only in my dreams? And that's exactly why I'm singing this song to you, to let you know that real dreams do come true. You tell me, what does it mean? Living in a world of ghetto life. Everyone is so uptight. Hey, nothing's wrong. It's alright. My man, I like the way we carry on. His love and we send me on and on.